Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the steps to view the vessel name and voyage number on All Quotations Report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in to the Fresa application. After successful login, this is how our dashboard looks like. Now, navigate to the Quotation module. Select the All Quotations menu. On the quotation page, choose the required date range. From date to date, and click the Submit button. You can now view the vessel name and voyage number details. If required, download the report using the Download option. These are the steps to view vessel name and voyage number on All Quotations Report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.